Next, we move on to the exercise problems. Find the product after suitable rearrangement. Here we have to find the product of these whole numbers. So, by using the rearrangement. So, first we make the rearrangement. So, how to? So, see here. This is the 2 into 789 into 50. So, first make these two as a group, write 50 as it is. Okay, so take the 2 into 789. So this is the first step. Okay, first we make these two as a group. So see here, 9 2s are 18, the carry is 1, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 17, the carry is 1, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So the product is 1578. So write here 1578. This one is multiplied by 50. Okay. The second step is 1578 into 50. See here, first multiplied 0 with these numbers. 0 into 8, 0. 0 into 7, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Any number to multiplied with 0, we will give the 0 again. So now 8 5s are, this one is empty, we know that, add plus. 8 5s are 40. So here write 4, the carry is 4. Okay. So 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 4, 39, write 9, 3 here carry. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3, 28, write 8, the carry is 2. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 9 plus 0, 9, 8 plus 0, 8, 7, 7. So answer is 7, 8, 9, 0, 0. This is the answer. Okay. Second problem is 2 into 567 into 1000. So first to make the group 2 into 567 as a group, write 1000 as it is. So write, this is the first step, 2 into 567. So 7 2s are 14, write 4, the carry is 1. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, the carry is 1. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So here 1137 into 1000. So now multiply 1137 into 1000. So 0 into 7 0, 0 into 3 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0. Now same, 0 into 7 0, 0 into 3 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0. Now again multiply 0 with these numbers, we get 0 0 0. So now multiply 1. So 1 into 7 1, 1 into 3 3, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. So this is plus plus plus. We can put it as empty like that. Okay. So 0 is 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 7 is 7, 3 plus 0 plus 0 is 3, 1 plus 0 1, 1 is 1. The answer is 1137 0 0 0. This is the answer. Okay, like that you should solve the other problem, remaining problems. Okay. So next one is find the values of the following using distributive property. So we know the distributive property is, we know that is A, here the positive is there. So A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. We know the distributive property. So here see that here we can write it this one as, So see 6753 into 98 plus 2 into 6753. Here A is this one. This is also A because the same number is there. So both are A. This one is B and this one is C. Okay, this can be written also in C into B, C into A. Okay, don't get confused. A into B, A into C or C into A, both are same. So now, so this can be written as A into B plus C. You know that. Okay, this is the distributive property. So now here the A taken A as a common. Here A is 6753. So take common 6753. Then into here the remaining term is 98. Here the remaining term plus 2. So what I did here, very simple. Take the 6753 as a common because this one is A. So here write like this. Compare this one just. Here A is 6753, B is 98, C is 2. Just write as it is. Okay. So see there. The 6753 into 98 plus 2 is 100. Now multiplied this one. So see here 6753 into 100. So 0 into 3 0, 0 into 8 0, 0 into 7 0, 0 into 6 0. So 0 into 3 0, 0 into 5 0, 0 into 7 0, 0 into 6 0. 1 into 3 3, 1 into 5 5, 1 into 7 7, 1 into 6 6. Sorry. So this one is 3 5 7 6. So add 0 0 plus 0. This is 3 5 7 6. We get 67530 Okay, this is the answer. Okay, just compare the properties. We know the distributive property A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Just compare. Here A is 673, B is 98, C is 2. Second problem is 75 into 813 plus 187 into 75. So we know the distributive property. So A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. So here A is 75. Okay. So here A is 75 into 187. So here the common term is 75. That means you just compare with this one. Okay, here the A is 75 into B is 813, C is 187. Okay, so write this one as it is. So see here, first 813 plus 187 we get. So see here, I will add here 813 into 187. 7 plus 3 is 10. Here carry is 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Here carry is 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we get 1000. Okay. Now when you multiplied with 75 and do 1000, we get 75,000. It's a very easy. You did at in your home. Okay, it's a very easy. When you multiplied any number with 1000, we get the same number, but you just add the 3 zeros because here 3 zeros is there. Just write the 3 zeros here. Okay.